So we're going to show you how to use the Monarch evacuation system cleaner today, and we're going to do it for one operatory. And so we're going to fill the bottle up to the 1 liter mark on the side. Right. And we fill that with 20 milliliters of the liquid. We just recap that and shake it up really well. All right, and then you just attach your suction units to it. All right, and then you can get your saliva ejector and your high volume evacuator cleaned at the same time.
Make sure you get it sideways.
And make sure you turn it sideways.